Hello, welcome to Spotter channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to use Snapchat for Android to beginners. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, we can click the application of Snapchat here. And this is the one of the feature is to scan your photos. If you want to post, you can scroll sideways here, or you can click you can click something with the all of feature here, and also you can browse the filter. Use any of kind of filters. Okay, after that, the feature is about your maps. This is your maps in your location or the someone who that live in the location. This is about the friends. You can add friends in about your location. After that, you can will be the chat here. This is the people use the Snapchat. You can be add and you can be send a message to you. Not only your contact handphone, but this is the chat that is closed for you. This is a stories that friend you can post the stories, but now you not have the friends, so this is not stories here. And you can click the spotlight. Spotlight will be the someone who can post everything that you want. Okay, back. To create your avatar, you create your email, add friends, and etc. This is the settings. You can enable the location or not. And this is the tutorial how to know and how to use Snapchat for on Android to beginners. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.